Hello, I'm Mrs. Parent from Beardsley Library. We just read a book today about the little blue truck, and it's a book about friendship and what can happen when you work together. And the rescuer in this story was this green frog. So we're going to make another craft today about a frog. So here, we'll put this book aside. And we're going to have a hopping good time with this craft today. It's a fun project, and here's what you will need. You'll need green construction paper, a little scrap of red, and a scrap of white. You'll need like a circular object that we can use to trace a body for the frog. This one's about 3 inches across. You can use a popsicle stick so that we can make a puppet out of it. The other supplies you'll need are glue stick and tape, scissors, a pencil for tracing, and a green and black marker. If we're going to take this a little further, if you want to make it a jumping frog, you're going to need 2 paper cups, a elastic, and a stapler. So let's get started. I'll move this down so you can see what I'm doing here. So the first thing we're going to do is trace the body. So we're going to stick it over, put this over in the corner, trace around it, and cut it out. Here we go. We cut out our circle, and if you cannot use scissors yet, then you can have the grown-up that's with you cut this circle out for you, and you can help with all the gluing and the decorating. So here we got the body of our little frog. There we go. And then you're going to fold your piece of paper in half because we're going to draw on a heart shape, what looks like a heart shape with a little foot attached to it. It's going to end up looking like this. See the little heart shape here with this little foot? And then we end up cutting that piece in half to make the 2 feet that go on, glue onto either side of the circle. So we'll put him right there. So we got this folded in half. There's a nice crease there. So draw a kind of like a heart shape. So it goes down like this, and then we want to just draw a little tiny webbed foot on the bottom. There we go. And then we're going to cut that out. So we got to cut his little foot. Here's his little webbed foot for our frog. And cut out what would look almost like a heart shape that we're going to use for his legs. So if you unfold this, there's a nice crease down the center, and you can just cut that in half there. So now we're going to glue this to either side of our frog. Look at those little froggy legs. So you kind of send it at an angle. There we go. It'll be just like that. And get our glue stick that keeps rolling around here. Put our glue on. And put one leg on. Put our glue on the other side and put 2 legs on. See, he looks like he's really ready to hop away already. So then pat it down. You really want it to stick well. And at this point, you can put googly eyes on him, but I liked using these little white eyes. So I took my piece of white construction paper and just cut a circle out. Not too big, not too small. This is a circle that we could glue to the top, just like we did with our last week's craft. Glue to the top of his head. Like right here and right here. Look at, he's looking froggy already. So put some glue on that, and some more glue on this eye, and put those on. Okay, and pat them down. All right, so let's decorate our little frog. He's going to need eyes. So we want to draw a circle in here for an eye, and another circle in here for an eye. And then we can put spots on them. So take your green marker and let's just have fun drawing some spots all over him. big ones, little ones. Here's a big one, little one. So leave room for his mouth. We'll draw some more spots all around on his tummy. This is our spotted green frog coming to the rescue. And put some little ones around. Okay, let's give him a nice big smile. And 2 little dots for a nose. Look at that green frog. And at this point, you can just tape him onto a stick, just like I did here. So I put a popsicle stick on him and taped him down like that. So you can make a puppet. He's also going to need, well, a new one that we just made today is going to need a tongue. So very skinny one. Not like yesterday, because yesterday's frog was a big fat frog. This is a smaller frog. So here you just cut a little strip of the red. And you can also curl it up around your pencil. Just like that. Put some glue on him. So we could put the tongue on, and it will be right coming out of his little mouth. Just like that. So see, this one I already glued to the stick, so you can use this as a puppet in any of your puppet shows. If you want to take this further, then we are going to use the cups. So I'll use the one that we made today to show you how to make a hopping frog. So you're going to get a cup, and you're going to cut 2 slits in the side on one side, and then right across from it, 2 more slits on the other side, so that you'll be able to put it like this and fold them down. See how that's folded down like that? So you fold them down like this. There we go. So then take your elastic and slip it around one of the flaps that you made, and then we're going to staple it down with our stapler. So you sneak the stapler in here and staple it down, and then you're going to make an X with that elastic. See how you could just twist it like that and get it situated around your next flap, and fold that down and put our stapler through here again. You kind of have to wiggle it around the elastic that's in there. And secure that too with a staple. There we go. It looks a little squished. So this is where we're going to glue or tape on our little frog that we made today. Okay? So we'll turn this over so it's down on the table. The top of it, where you would drink out of, is down on the table. And we'll make a circle out of our tape so that we can put it on the back and glue him down. You might want to put a few pieces on. If we had double-sided tape, that would probably be even better to use, because who knows how much this frog will want to be jumping. So here we go. We'll put him on the side, tape him to the side of this. So there he is. He's taped to the side. He's got the elastic in there. And then we're going to just hold him on, put him on top of this other cup, like that. Move things out of the way. Let's see what he'll do. Do you think this little frog will jump? Here, we'll put this up so we can see if he is going to jump. So here we go. Push him down, down, down. Whoa! Push him down, down, down. Whoa! That time he really hopped. He hopped right out of the screen. So I hope that you enjoyed making your craft today. And I will see you next week on Wednesday for story time. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.